Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuradh and today in this video I'll tell you how you can download your bank detail statement from ICICI Bank using internet banking, and the statement you can use for your income tax file as well. And guys, many people shows like how to download it from ICICI Bank mobile app, but guys that is the bank statement only, that not the detail statement, and that is not much useful for your income tax file. So in this video I'll tell you how you can download it from internet banking and the statement you can use for ITR file as well. So guys, for that purpose, you first of all you should have your internet banking. If you don't have your internet banking, then you can watch any other YouTube videos like how to create an internet banking, or you can contact your bank even. Okay, so first of all guys, here just you have to type ICICI Bank Net Banking. So this one you have to type in your any browser. So that thing you can do it by your phone, even laptop, or from anywhere, but you need a internet banking username and password. So guys, here you can see login to internet banking, net banking. So you have to click that one, and this pop-up you can close, and here you will get one login option. So just you have to hover this login option, and here you will get multiple options. Just here you have to choose personal, because that is your personal account, right? So you have to choose the personal, and here is the user ID. So you have to put your user ID here. So I will put my user ID. Okay, and here you have to put your password. So I'll put the password, and now you have to click this login button. So here it will logged in, and here you can see your total balance and the savings. Okay, so now the main point is how to download your statement. So here you will get one option, bank account, and here you will get another option, that is e-statements. So you have to click that one, e-statements, and after that here you will get two buttons, last 10 transactions and view detail statements. So you need view detail statements. So you have to click this button, and after that here you have to select your date, from which date to which date you want to download. So if you are downloading for your income tax file, so that date should be previous year's 1st April to the current year's 31st March. Okay, so here I'll choose this year 2024 and April, and date is 1st. Now here this one should be the current year, that is 2025. Now the month is March and date is 31st. And after that here you will get another button, is view details statement. You have to click here. So after clicking, so here you can see the detail statement, and here you can see the pagination button. So one by one you can click and you can see your statements. And if you want to download, so just you have to choose the download option, like you want to download by PDF or Excel file, whatever you want, you can select here and you can click OK. So this way you can do that. So I hope guys you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will try to solve your doubt. And if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video. Also you can subscribe my channel to get more updates.